Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine and everyone has completed their respective tasks for studies or studying right now to complete it. So today I have studied 7 hours of CD and a little bit of algorithms. I'm ending my day just now. Honestly, like it was after, especially in the evening, it was really difficult for me to sit and study because I was feeling very low. Still I studied 7 hours, including CD and algorithm. I don't know, I was very emotional. I'm still very emotionally low, and I don't want to sit and write or anything, so I'm just stopping my day right now. Reason are a lot of, but I mean, I can't skip the studies, and there is no reason to skip the studies because I am very fortunate that I have few people in my life that are really taking care of me, my mother. So I think whatever the time I'm getting, I'm just spending in studies only. So I'll show you what I've studied today. And yeah, so regarding algorithms, it was recurrence relation PYQs, which I've already started, but I left in between yesterday. So I completed that. I resumed from where I left. You can see this is recurrence relation, and we need to find the correct option. So the recurrence relation is like this, and cannot apply a Master's theorem because in T and N should be like N upon B. In this like form, it should T should present, which is not, so we cannot apply Master's theorem. And we can apply substitution method because on right side T present, and in substitution method we know, like, we expand T, this term T of n minus 1 we expand. And how we expand is like by seeing the pattern of T of n. Like if T of n is there, then if T of n is there, then T of n minus 1 would present. If then similarly while expanding it, if you do n minus 1, it would be like Tn minus 2. Like it's very easy. That's a pattern of T. I've solved a lot of example till now, so I get this pattern, and you can also see it. Like T of n equal to n 2 to the power n, T of n minus 1, n minus 1 to 2 raised to n minus 1. This is the pattern, and then you'll get some series of AP, GP, or sum of natural numbers. Like you can see power of 2 is increasing here. So observe pattern for T similarly. Like first step is 2t n minus 1 power of 2. Second step 2 square t n minus 2 getting subtracted. Third step and so on till kth step. 2 raised to k t of n minus k. For remaining part, observe pattern for last expanded this, and you need to put the terminating condition value 0. Terminating condition is 0 in T, then like T of 0 is 1. So you will get this after solving. Like final value is 2 raised to n square. This is for homework they have given us. And again, this is the question we need to evaluate. So like there would be two types of values in options. First is exact value and second is asymptotic value. So from options you will get to know we need to find exact value or asymptotic value. So terminating case, like we need to take input and output. So here, like input, how to take input, like you need to just see the number of variables in all the options. Here variable is in all 4 options, so you need to take input as n, and I have mentioned in bracket also because in all equation n is present, so just take n, and output is t of n, which is like in the equation itself. So and terminating condition is like if 1 is present in t, then output is 1, so you need to just take n equal to 1 value and substitute in options, and you'll get the correct answer. It was very straightforward, first one, like not that complicated. Here, like, consider follow recurrence relation. M square input is m again, and then can't take negative value, only positive here, so m equal to 1. Output is, now check options with this values, and if you are getting multiple correct options, then you need to like take the different example and see. Here also, I think in this example there were like every time 2-3 times we were getting multiple correct options, so to eliminate that we were taking the different example. So here is like, and after that we got it the correct option. Like you can see here also you are getting the multiple this thing, and finally we got the correct option. So that was algorithms, recurrence relation, PYQs. So I'm on track. I don't have pending backlogs right now. So from tomorrow we are starting with data structures in my course where I'm following, and after that the remaining algorithms will be completing. So as soon as they will upload the data structure lecture, I'll just complete it with my notes. So that's the one good thing. I don't have any backlog regarding data structures and algorithms. So this is the one subject I'll be running parallelly along with my revision of C and CN, which I was already done. So what I'm going to do is like take because I have notes that I have created, like I have written while studying it. So I have already mentioned this approach while revising it, like just go through theory quickly, and whatever the questions are covered, try to solve on or your own. If you are like able to solve it on your own, it's good. Otherwise, see how it is being solved and then again try on yourself. So that's the approach I have been following, and I'll be following that. So I'm going to start my day with revision like these. I have allocated topic like one topic, two topic, because two topic we can do two topic of C, two topic of CN, and then move ahead with the other subject that I'm currently studying, like CD. There are 16 hours of CD need to be covered. So my plan, like the first half of the day, as soon as I get up, to revise it and then start with CD. So only these, and as soon as DS lecture will get uploaded, then do that, because it's like duty, you have to do it every day it is being done. So these are for 4 subject. What is remaining is DL, digital logic, also I have to start of Chandan sir. That are like 20 lectures are done, so I'll be doing that 1 lecture per day. So these, I think 5 subject I have to run, apart from 2 subject which is of revision, but these 3 subject, like where I'm watching the lecture and writing the notes, so I have to start that also. Start means like DL I need to start it, and rest is going on. So this was for algorithm that I've shown, recurrence relation, PYQs. Now I'll show CD, what I've studied for CD. Sorry for my camera angle, so sorry. From here I have started like follow fee, you need to find it, like then again this was the question, you need to follow, like find follow of A, gate PYQ, then construction of LLM parse table, repeat follow 0 steps. These are some steps while constructing LLM parse table. Then again this, like parse table should be free from multiple entry, then it would be LLM grammar. You can see this is free from multiple entries. And and again this is like free from multiple entries, so above grammar is LL1. And if multiple entries are present, then it's not a LL1 grammar. So this is rule for like LL1 grammar, which is like grammar without epsilon rule is LL1 if each production of the form this form n is equal to 5 phi equal, you can see like there should not be any intersection, then it would be LL1 grammar. Grammar with epsilon rule, first alpha intersection follow equal to phi. Grammar in which every production has one alternative or RHS, then grammar is always LL1. So you can see in the example S tends to AB, so there is only one alternative, so no, the grammar is clearly LL1. On the 3 terminal you can see on right side only one alternative is there, so it's LL1 grammar. And you need to check the follow of like AC and intersection is nothing is common, so it's not equal to phi, so not LL1. I mean A is common, so it should not, it won't be equal to phi, hence it's not LL1. You can see between these two terminal there is nothing in common, so it's phi and it's LL1. One alternative, no need to check. Again these are the some example, same type of example. This is GATE PYQ. Then yeah, these kind of example I need to practice more. I mean it's easy, but I should be like practicing more, I feel. These are GATE PYQs also, so practice to it's must for this kind of example, because I knew it, I should have clarity on this. And here I have ended my like CD, stopped for today. So you can see the quote, it is saying to apply PYQs because application of knowledge has to be there. This is like we are collecting the knowledge, then we have to apply on PYQs also. So yeah, that was my day today. I mean my mother is doing much better than yesterday. She might get discharged in 1 or 2 days more. I went today to meet her. I didn't went yesterday, but today I went. I met like, of course, I mean these are like really difficult days for me emotionally, mostly because I'm not feeling like to eat anything and it is affecting my body. So even if I decided to sit now and study, I'm really tired, so I can't write anything. So that's why I decided to end the day today and I'll start early in the morning. So I mean yeah, I'm being strong honestly, because study is very important, and I know my mother would come strong in this. So yes, just praying to God every day, every second, that everything should be normal as it was before. But yes, please pray for my mother, everyone, whoever watching my video, and show some support on my channel and to me. I'm ever grateful for the support that you guys have provided to me in these 2-3 days, especially. It do really means a lot. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching it, and keep pushing yourself hard, I would say. That's all.